What's up, ladies and gents? Everyone else, Slappy here with ETM 540 Clubhouse. Back from our weekend-long trip, which we will be doing a video on next Friday. But for now, we're going to keep going on this little... Sorry about that. Barbecue, kettle chip, you know what's up. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and get back on this biscuit and put some legs and tops and all kinds of fun things on and hopefully finish it. I'm just saying. And if not, we'll do a part 3. I actually ended up having to do quite a bit of unpacking. And of course, we were gone on the weekend, which is normally when I film these things. So we're just kind of like... as far as finishing this thing up. Honestly, I may have to post this video on like Sunday just so we can get it all squared away. But for today, what my plan is to at least get the legs cut for the tabletop to rest on and to weld in the little areas that we need to now that we know that this is all situated where it needs to be, as well as cut out little slots for these so that way they will stay in place. So I'm going to start with cutting out the slots in the bottom pieces. We're going to screw them in place. Then we'll maybe do a little weld action. And then from there, Yahtzee. Boom, bam. Let's just do it. Let's go. All right, well, I'm sorry about all the time lapse. Sorry, freaking just crickets sometimes. But I gotta let this dry, and I can't go any further on. Well, I can, but I can't, and I also gotta go see someone about a car, and so I'm gonna let this just sit and get onto it tomorrow. But from here, it's a matter of, once that dries, cutting our posts, mounting our posts, mounting our secret something or other that's going to make it cooler. And then I think doing some more we do got to do some more welding. But yeah, it's not much. I think I can finish it tomorrow, actually. That would be ideal. But yeah, I'm going to go take care of some business, and then I'll be back tomorrow to finish this thing up. So I'm super stoked. But I did end up taking the letters off because I do want to reposition them to where they'll line up from this side and just kind of wrap around. I think it'll look better that way. Yeah, I'm freaking pumped. I'm super pumped on it. So it's going to be heavy and a beast, but it's going to be cool. It'll be fun because it'll be different, you know? And that's what we like. So, but anyways, I'm going to go. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's all I got. What? All right, let's get back to it. Not much to say. We already said it yesterday. Let's go. There she is. And I gotta say, that turned out pretty damn good. I mean, literally for something that was found on the sidewalk, it's not bad. I definitely want to maybe look into doing some other upgrades later and maybe fixing that paint and doing some paint match stuff. But for now, it's good. I don't even know if it's going to end up in our house, in our backyard, here at the shop. I think that's freaking cool. I like it. I like the wraparound. I like that all that isn't even like cut straight. It's just kind of what my boy made, what Harry made. And it works, you know? So nice little wraparound there. It's just cool. I love it. And it rolls really good, like almost way too good. But yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what you can do with literal stuff you got laying around. We're all about repurpose, recycle, reuse. And this is just one of those things where I found it, literally immediately thought that would make a cool coffee table. And here we are. So yeah, freaking stoked. So thanks for coming along with my shot at becoming a furniture builder. I'm sure we're going to be building more stuff like this in the future as we find things. I mean, that's just how it goes. And then we'll keep you posted on that. So thank you so much for joining us, for all the new subscribers. Make sure you guys tell your friends. We're growing. We want to keep growing. And yeah, we want to get to a point where we can start really getting into making some merch and being able to do more giveaways and whatnot. I haven't done any recent. I did some past few episodes, but we'll get back on that as we start doing more things, because as you'll see in the next coming episodes from our vacation out in a cool place, yeah, we got to take that beast out. So anyways, love you guys. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next episode.